Welcome. Before we begin, real fettuccine Alfredo is not cream. It is butter, Parmesan, and pasta water brought together into a silky emulsion by heat and timing. The pasta itself is fresh, made by hand, and the sauce has exactly 3 ingredients. Simplicity this pure demands that every step be precise.
Step 1. Mound 2 cups flour on a clean surface and make a well in the center. Crack 3 eggs into the well, add 1 tablespoon olive oil and a pinch of salt. Use a fork to gradually pull flour into the eggs until a shaggy dough forms.
Step 2. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until it is completely smooth, elastic, and springs back when pressed. If it is sticky, dust with flour. If it is dry, wet your hands slightly. The dough should feel like soft leather.
Step 3. Wrap the dough tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. Resting relaxes the gluten so the dough rolls out thin without fighting back.
Step 4. Divide the dough into 4 pieces. Roll each piece thin, either with a pasta machine to setting 5 or 6, or by hand with a rolling pin until you can almost see your hand through it. Dust with flour as needed.
Step 5. Loosely roll each thin sheet and cut into fettuccine strips about 1/4 inch wide. Unroll the nests and toss lightly with flour so the strands do not stick together.
Step 6. Boil the fresh fettuccine in well-salted water for 2 to 3 minutes only. Fresh pasta cooks fast. Reserve 1 cup of the starchy pasta water before draining.
Step 7. In a large warm pan, melt 6 tablespoons butter. Add the drained pasta and 1/2 cup of the reserved pasta water. Toss vigorously over low heat so the butter and starchy water emulsify into a glossy coating.
Step 8. Remove the pan from heat. Add 2 cups freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano in batches, tossing constantly. The residual heat melts the cheese into the emulsion without clumping. Add more pasta water if needed for silkiness.
Final step. Finish with freshly cracked black pepper and serve immediately. Every strand should be coated in a glossy, creamy sauce that came from nothing but butter, cheese, and water. That is the real Alfredo.